Futures Nifty, after the bigger fall, it started recovering to some extent. Close to 30% of the fall was recovered. And after this recovery, you could see the market is moving in sideways. After this recovery, there could be a strong resistance around this level. This is 9,900 levels is looking a strong resistance for this Nifty. So currently, after this strong resistance, you could see the fall was arrested and start moving in the narrow zone. The support level for the current level is 9,000, and the upside it is strongly resisted at 9,450. This is the trading range in general. When you look into the intraday basis, the market opened with a gap. So whenever there is a gap up open, it shows the bullishness of the market, but still sustaining the gap up is a question unless otherwise it's backed up by a global market strength. Now this is today's opening. It opened with a gap, say nearly 100 points at 9335. This 9335 futures Nifty could act as a support time being. If this is broken, and there could be a strong fall below to this. So market is expected to hold on these levels for intraday basis, but if this is broken, even this can move towards the next level of say 9,250. So this could be the next good support level, but this 9335 is sustained, then market may turn slightly to move towards its today's high. So there is a need of global support, as well as any government announcements may push this market from these levels. So currently 9,335 is acting as a very strong crucial level for intraday basis. This is the story of futures Nifty for the day. Quickly we look into the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is actually showing a lot of weakness compared with Nifty. This is viewed here. Bank Nifty also today opened with a gap. So it opened with a gap, and the support level what Nifty is sustaining is not happening with Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty broke the important support level what it was having. This 19,450 was broken. Then it is drifting towards the next level of 19,200. So the range is now 19,440, which is likely to act as a resistance, and 9,200 would act as a support. This is the scenario of Bank Nifty. We will quickly look into the sector analysis. I am just looking into some important sectors, that is automobile. Automobile sector is also, generally speaking, making some comeback. So overall, if you look into, there is a sideways movement for a long period, but for one day it made a huge up move. But today, after the lockout and all the companies are opening up the showroom, so there is a positive note happening in this automobile sector. It opened with a gap and start moving upward, but this momentum, whether it could sustain, is a question, because this only a move which is close to its next strong resistance level. Of course, today high is the resistance. We hope if this is broken, then this could pave way for a new orbit upside move. Next, we will look into FMCG. So FMCG is a sector which was actually went down after some time. This is the scenario. after a strong upward momentum. Slowly it was making a low top low bottom formation, but it is rebounding from this bottom, and the market, if at all, has to go up, the FMCG should give the full support. So today also FMCG, it is showing a lot of strength with the gap up opening and start going up, but the gains what it had in the morning, it is lost mostly. But this is the crucial line for FMCG to hold on. Also we should see the healthcare pharma sector. The pharma sector is also, pharma sector also is showing some kind of a strength till now. If you look into today, there was a gap up. All the gap up is totally lost, but it is bouncing back from the low of the day. That is a sign of recovery. And today the market moves up. That will be the backing of pharma sector. The pharma sector, if breaks this resistance, then it could be a fresh up move, and this could be a stronger counter to look at. We also look into the IT sector. IT sector, which was really made a comeback. If you see, IT sector compared with all other sector is better placed in general. It is moving sideways for quite few days, but today it is coming back with a big bang, and we expect this market to show a lot of strength because of a lot of international measures towards economical development will be favoring this IT sector. So today IT sector opened with a gap, and it is trading high up the day. So any strength in the total market will come from the IT sector. We'll have to see whether the today's high at 11 is broken. These are some of the important sectors we are looking to. Finally, we look into metal. The metal sector, which was showing a lot of sideway move for the last, say, about 4-5 days, and today that is also coming back with some upward move. So this is also a gap up and moving upward. All the factories may be opened up today, so this is also showing strength like IT. So IT and metal showing some strength along with pharma. Today, if at all the market sustain to go up, these three sectors can hold on. So Nifty is showing some strength, Bank Nifty is showing some weakness. That is all for the day.